Today we shall deal about study waves and normal modes. In this we deal about closed pipe organ at both sides, modes of oscillation of the system for a string of length L fixed at both ends. The two ends of the string have to be nodes. If one of the ends is chosen as position and x power 0, then the other end is x power L. In order that this end is a node, the length L must satisfy the condition L power n lambda by 2 for n power 1, 2, 3 dash dash 1. This condition shows that the standing waves on a string of length L have restricted wavelength given by lambda power 2 by n for n power 1, 2, 3 etc. That the frequencies corresponding to these wavelengths as mu बराबर v by lambda बराबर v बटा 12 बटा n बराबर n into v बटा 12 for n बराबर 1 2 3 dash dash etc. Where v is the speed of traveling waves on the string. The set of frequencies given by equation 3 is called the natural frequency or modes of oscillation of the system. This equation tells us that the natural frequencies of a string are integral frequencies of a string are the lowest frequency mu बराबर v बटा 2 which corresponds to n बराबर 1. The oscillation mode with that lowest frequency is called the fundamental mode or the first harmonic. The second harmonic is the oscillation mode with n बराबर 2. The third harmonic corresponds to n बराबर 3 and so on. The frequencies associated with these modes are often labeled as nu1, nu2 and nu3 and so on. The collection of all possible modes is called the harmonic series and n is called the harmonic number. Some of the harmonics of the status string fixed at both ends are shown in figure 1. Are shown in figure 1. We now study the modes of vibration of a system closed at one end with the other end being free. Air columns such as glass tubes partially filled with water provide examples of such system. Now if the length of air column is L, the open end x बराबर L and antinode and L बराबर n plus n by 2 lambda by 2 for n बराबर 0, 1, 2, 3 that. The modes satisfy the condition lambda बराबर 12 बटा n plus n by 2 for n बराबर 0, 1, 2, 3 dash. So nu बराबर n plus 1 by 2 v बटा 12 for n बराबर 0, 1, 2, 3 dash. Fundamental frequency बराबर v बटा 4l and now higher frequency are all harmonics as 3v बटा 4l, 5v बटा 4l. Now in case of open pipe at both ends there will be antinodes at both ends and all harmonics will be generated. Normal modes are used in tabla. Open ends column as shown in figure 2. Are shown in figure 2. A first harmonic, B second harmonic, C third harmonic. Thus, in a string fixed at both ends, the standing waves are produced at certain frequencies or resonance frequency. Thus, we have learned about modes of oscillation of the system, about nodes, antinodes, and fundamental frequencies and higher frequencies. And frequency of the wave when the string is tagged at both ends will be frequency is equal to n बराबर mu बराबर frequency बराबर n into v बटा 12 but when the string is attached when a string is attached to one end and close at one end and open at other end, then mu बराबर n plus 1 बटा 2 b बटा 12. When both sides open, then n into b बटा 12. Or when one side is closed, then mu बराबर n plus 1 बटा 2 into b बटा 12. Fundamental frequency is d बटा 4l. Higher frequency or odd frequency is 3 by 3 d बटा 4l, 5 बटा 4l. And traveling waves and standing waves are produced at resonant frequency.